Driving in my car, driving in my car. I love driving in my car. I love to drive in my car. Sometimes near, sometimes far. Go! What are you waiting for? The light's green! I love driving in my car. No cash. Lucky for me, that's not what I want. Let me at those chips, yo! And all you'd ever hear me say is how I picture me with you. That's all you'd ever hear me say. But since you've been gone, I can't breathe for the first time. I'm so moving on. Yeah, thanks to you. Now I get what I want. Honestly, I can't even wrap my head around the fact that everybody's freaking out about Will Smith's portrayal of the genie in the upcoming Aladdin movie. Guys, can we please just focus on the real issue? Like whether or not the "still I think he's rather tasty" lady's making an appearance? Priorities, people. Priorities.
What I want when the leave don't save my seat. I'll be back when it's all complete. Stay with me, no. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you.
Hey, look, it's a quickie. What are you talking about? A speed hump? Get it? A quickie. I hate you.
Have you ever had a dream that you do
Today, Junior? Red, white, and blue. Oh, the funny things you do. America, this is you.
Said don't let it go to your head. Boys like you are a dime a dozen. Boys like you are a dime a dozen. She said, you're a touch overrated. You're a lush and I hate it. But these grass stains on my knees, they won't mean a thing. And all I need to know is that I'm something you'll be missing. Maybe I should hate you for this. Never really did ever quite get that far. Maybe I should hate you for this.